Just wanted to get on here and do a cook with me video. I want to make some salmon croquettes today and just wanted to try something different. But anyway, let me switch this up a little bit so y'all could see. I did already clean my kitchen before I got started. I know everything is not perfect, but it is what it is. That bag over here is for the bones of the salmon to go in because I don't like to put those in the garbage. I did cut up my onion ahead of time and put the little cutting board in the sink. I'll clean that up in a minute. But yes, here are the ingredients I'm working with. Some black pepper, garlic powder, mustard, parsley, Old Bay, accent, 2 cans of pink salmon, pack of Ritz crackers. In this bowl, I have half seasoned flour and half lemon pepper fish fry, diced onions, mayonnaise, which you don't need a lot. I know it sounds weird, but don't freak out, and an egg. So yeah, that's what I'm working with, and I love to use my cast iron skillet, so it's all nice, clean, greased up to go. But okay y'all, so the first step is I did get my little handy dandy gloves. They're disposable, so I dispose of them after. And you're going to go in here and you're going to see the bone right there. You're going to separate it. And what I like to do is get the bones that you see in the middle, just get them out. It should all come out at one time. The little bones you too much really don't have to worry about because when you cook it, it's going to soften to where you're not even going to know it's a bone in there. But that major bone, that's what you want to get out. And then this black piece, like, I don't know. I really too much don't care if the black part is in there or not. It's just the skin of the salmon pretty much. But if I can get it off of there, then I will. But let me finish taking these bones out real quick. Oops. I'm putting in that bag because I don't like to have this fish in my smell in my kitchen. So what I do after I finish doing this and putting this in the bag, I will tie the bag up really good and put it in my freezer until my boyfriend takes the garbage to the dumpster. Because otherwise that smell is going to sit in your garbage can and it's really going to stink. And I don't like that. But anyway, I'm just kind of breaking it apart a little bit just to make sure that there's no more bones in here, which as you see there's more bones. So it's really simple to get those bones out. Nothing major. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Pretty much break it in half. You're going to see. You should be able to see them. And just come right on out. That black part that does feel really gooey, like fat, I do get that out of there. Okay. So this one should be good. I'm going to check this part right here. That's neat. There's some little bones, they're not major though. Let's neat as well. Okay, I have a feeling there's more in here somewhere. No, I'm probably wrong. Okay, so now we got the bones out. I'm going to hurry up and break this apart. Mush it together. Kind of get it so we can form patties once we add all the other ingredients. Now these are the seasonings that I like to use that I had showed you before, but pretty much It's up to you what seasonings you would prefer, but these are the seasonings I would stick to, being that it's seafood, so you do want some type of seafood seasoning, such as Old Bay, or if there's another brand of seafood seasoning that you know of, then you're welcome to use that, whatever you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and put all these diced onions in here. And let me go ahead and get an egg. Get that going. Okay. Okay, divas, I'm back, and excuse the camera, it's rocking right now, but I did put my little seasonings up and stuff to kind of clean up as I go. So the next step, I'm gonna take these and I did put the seasonings in here, as y'all see. It looks like a lot, but it's not. Don't freak out. I don't know the measurements because I don't cook by measurements. I cook by sight. Like, I just cook off what I know. I was taught by watching, so I'm just crushing up the Ritz crackers in the pack. Saves you from doing all the extra cleaning up and making a mess. Okay. Get this open. Alright. I'll use the whole pack. A little struggle with them gloves. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix it together so we could get all the seasonings blended and get ready to form our patties. Make sure all the seasonings mixed in really good. Okay. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to start forming my patties real quick. I have my Tupperware right here to put them in after I form them. I form my patties kind of big because they're going to be for dinner tonight and left over tomorrow, so I break up my patties anyway as I eat them. So however you feel what size you want them to be, that's what you do. And plus I want to hurry up and get this done. I got some cleaning to do and laundry to fold. You know how that goes. Okay. But anyway, I'm getting the hang of this, y'all, with this little editing of the videos and stuff. Not perfect. Still trying to work on it, but it is what it is. Okay, divas, I'm back. What I've done is I have mixed the flour as well as the fish stir fry that are both of them have been seasoned. I mixed them together, as you see. And I have my patties formed right here. Got my oil started. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever type of oil you prefer, olive oil, I don't care. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this going. And what I'm doing is I'm just coating these patties so that way they have like a little crispiness to them when you fry them. Most people don't do this. I do. That's just because that's what I prefer. I actually tried it and I liked it, so that's what I stuck with. Okay, so sorry y'all, I was all up on y'all and stuff. Still am. This camera all up in my face. Basically I already started flipping them and frying them, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. You want to make sure they fry for a pretty long time on that one side first. Because if not, when you go to flip them, they will fall apart if it's not crispy fried. Salmon's very gentle once it cooks. So that's why you want to make sure it fries really good before you start flipping them. So I'm going to give that some time to get the same color on the other side or close to it. So yeah, and I did start cleaning up as I'm going along. So let me try to move y'all over here so y'all can see me finish cleaning these dishes I created. Don't mind my kitchen, y'all. I'm trying to stick this little selfie stick thingy tripod thing I got from Five Below anywhere I can, and it's just crazy. So I'm tired of stopping and starting to record. Y'all know how it go. But okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Y'all, I'm pressing all kinds of stuff. Don't mind me. I'm trying to get it right. Hold on, y'all. My hair is still cut off. Okay. I think I should have it. The tripod I got from Five Below sucks. I can't wait to get it made. Y'all gonna hate me by the end of this one. Okay. I might cut some of that stuff out. But anyway, I hope this works for y'all. But yeah, you can see me now. That's good. So anyway, I'm sitting here cleaning up. It's probably crooked, but whatever. I ain't got time for that. I'm about to get me some water going so I can clean this mess up real quick. So I hate the smell of fish lingering around after you cooked it and stuff. Not good. Get this water going. But anyway, I had a quite productive day. I had, of course, worked earlier. I got off about 4 o'clock, and then I walked up to the front office and got my package from Fashion Nova. It's not sponsored, so I ain't got it like that yet. But I did order me some stuff from Fashion Nova. I'm trying to get ready for the fall season, which here in Texas it don't really get cool until about November time frame. But anyway, I am going to be making a trip at the end of this month. As I told y'all before, to Maryland. I'm going back home to Baltimore. So that's what it is. Oh, let me check these because I'm not even paying attention now that I got going. Oh yeah, they ready, y'all. They ready. I'm all excited. But as y'all see, you know, I do like to cook, so I hope to do these videos a lot more often. Well, a lot more of these videos, I should say. I just started. So, that's what it is. They looking good, y'all. Thank goodness. I only got 2 drops to fry because I do not like standing up here all day frying a whole bunch of stuff. It's not for me. So what I did with the last one is I did flip it to the last side that I had frying so y'all could see it's the same. As hot as shit. Same color. Or close to it on both sides. Oh, God. Okay. So, let me put the rest of these in. So that's why I coat them, y'all, because I like the way they look when they come out when you coat them with the little mixture of fish fry and flour. But make sure your stuff is seasoned. The key is season your stuff. You do not want no bland food served to you. You want your stuff full of flavor. That grease, when you drop the patties in the grease, it should be sizzling. You should be able to hear it sizzle. That's how you know your grease is hot enough. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to get off of here because I gotta make a couple of phone calls and stuff. You know how you trying to chat with your homegirls and stuff before Bae comes home. You know, sometimes you can't say certain things around them on the phone and stuff like that. So gotta chat it up right quick with my homegirls, let them know what's going on. Get the tea if you know what I mean. And you already know. I got my cup right here. Getting ready to pour it up. But yeah, anyway, I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back with another video vlog. I'll be back doing something else. I don't know what yet, but I'll see y'all soon. Love.